Okay, so back into Skechup again. Just going to delete that mannequin, and I'm going to draw myself a rectangle. Now, when we were starting to design a piece of flat pack furniture, probably done it more creative than what I'm going to do here. So you're going to take this and develop it further. So most items will start kind of as a rectangle. So we'll do that, and we'll create a carcass. Now, carcass effectively is a top, a bottom, and two sides. Now they're relatively similar. They're the same all the way around. Okay. Now what we have to establish is how these four corners are joined together. What joints are we using here? So what we need to do is state whether we have two sides which sandwich between the top and the bottom, or, which I'll do on the opposite end, the top and the bottom which sandwich the sides. Now traditionally what you would do is you would do it this way on the right hand side, where your top and your bottom sandwich the sides. So I'm going to do that on the other side just to show you. And I will delete it there. There. Now it looks really obvious. I have four components: a top, a bottom, a side right, and a side left. Now, if I was doing a cutting list, I would say that I need two pieces that are this length by this width by this thickness, because I need one for the top and one for the bottom, and they're both exactly the same. The same for the two sides here and here. Now, as a way of showing that this would be exploded, and this is where it starts to get interesting, is I would use my guidelines, my axes, and I would maybe look at pulling this apart. Okay, so I drag it this way a little bit, and I drag that out. Okay, at the moment it looks like it's attached, so I'm just going to delete. Just going to delete that line there, that line there, that line there, and that line there. And now you can start to see that it's all in line. It is perfectly in line. We know this slots in between here and here perfectly, but it is exploded, an exploded view. And you get this if you were looking at Lego or Meccano or flat pack furniture of any sort. Okay, so this is what I would like you to try and attempt, is to show that your product is flat pack. Now you can't push it all the way out like that, so that's a bit of a pain. What you could do, if you wanted to save you the time of redrawing this, is select, just select that whole side there, press edit, copy, edit, paste. Now you'll end up with another side exactly the same. And if you line it up correctly, it should line up with what you've drawn. Now if you click anywhere so that you can keep it selected, but go back to this move tool, select the corner there and the corner of your drawing, and just move out, you can see there that lines up perfectly with all my ends and top and the bottom.